Good morning, students. Today we will see next topic from the first lesson, that is decimal representation of the rational numbers. If we will divide the numerator of a rational number with its denominator, then we will get decimal form of rational number. So, see, for example, 7 upon 4. Here we have divided 7 by 4. Then we are getting 1.75. See how it is. 7 upon 4 means down number, that is the divisor. And inside it will be 7. 4 ones are 4. Remaining 3. Here point and again you will take 0. Then 4 sevens are 28, remaining 2, 20. Then 4 fives are 20. What you got? Remainder as 0. And quotient is 1.75. That means remainder, when the remainder will be 0, the division is completed. It ends. So it is known as terminating decimal form. 1.75 it is terminating decimal form. Next, see. Next one. For example, 22 upon 7. The division is coming for this 3.14285 and 7. See how. See here, upper number is inside and divisor 7 is outside. 7 threes are 21. Remaining 1. Then after that decimal point 0. Again 7 ones are 7. Remaining 3. After decimal point you can take 0. 30. Then 7 fours are 28. Remaining 20. Then 7 twos are 14. Remaining 6. 0. That is 60. Then 7 eights are 56. Remaining 40. Then 7 fives are 35. Remaining 5. And then 7 sevens are 49. Remaining 1. Now you can see here remainder is 10. That comes again to the first step. That means again if you continue this division, you will get 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 like this. And again that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 digit will repeat again and again. So this one we can write in the form of recurring non-terminating decimal form. 3.14285. Now these 5 digits are repeating, so you have to give sign like this. These are the repeated digits. The decimal form of this rational number 22 upon 7 is this. Usually we will write this. We will take this as 3.14 while solving the examples. Now see practice set 1.3 from that first one. The question is 9 upon 37. That means 9 divided by 37. See, it is not important. Smaller number will be the divisor. Bigger number also will be the divisor. This is the rational number. So 9 is inside and 37 is outside. By 37 you have to divide 9. See, for 9 directly we can't divide by 37. So starting only 0. Then point we have taken. Then 37 twos are 74. Remaining is 16. Then 0. Again 37 fours are 148. Remaining 12. Taken 0. 37 threes are 111. Remaining is 9. Again it is coming like first step. So these 2, 4, 3 digits are will be repeated. So decimal form of this 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243. And it is recurring again. So this is the recurring non-terminating recurring decimal form. Like this way you have to solve remaining questions also. Whether see minus sign, maybe it will be down. Now 103 upon 5 is there. One question. Question number 4. See, for that sign is given up. Then question number 5 is there. For that question number 5, minus 11 upon 13. This sign is given here. But it will not get effect on the this division. Just solve it, divide it. After that, which sign is there, that you have to put. Like this you have to solve practice set 1.3. Now we will see rational numbers. See, the rational numbers we know now. Other than rational number, there are so many numbers on the number line. They are known as irrational numbers, such as root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, and so on. Now, these irrational numbers we have to show on number line. Now, we will see how to show it. Here, we have to plot only positive numbers. So, I am taking 0 to the left sides. Then it will be easy to plot on the right side all the numbers. See now. For that, we have to draw one straight line as a number line. I have drawn it. Then take 0 as the starting point. Then for this, first we have to see or understand Pythagoras theorem. For that, Pythagoras theorem. Then what is this? Already we have learned it in 7th standard. Right angle triangle is there. Suppose ABC. Then AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now from 0 point we have to draw like this, so that we will get right angle triangle. 1 unit distance we have to take to plot this root 2. First we will see start from root 2, then remaining number. The 1 unit means on the page we are drawing the 1 unit. As a 1 unit you can take 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, as it is convenient, depend on your book size. So easily we can draw this. Now how it is, see, suppose 1 is AB is 1, BC is 1. So AC is how much? 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 1. So it will be 2. AC square is 2. So AC will be root 2. So this distance will be root 2. Then see for the next. Now from root 2 we have to, first we will see construction of root 2. See, from 0 we have to take 1 unit distance. As I told you, any root 3 centimeter we are taking. It is convenient to draw. So 3 centimeter I have taken distance as 1 unit. This is 1. 0 to 1. 1 I have drawn here. Then same distance you have to take. That means 3 centimeter on this side also. Adjust accordingly. Perpendicular it should be. Like this you have to take 3 centimeter. Or you can use protractor also to plot right angle perpendicular to the 1 or number line. Then see now, this is the 1 unit distance. This is also unit distance. Here O, we will name as O. Then Q, this is perpendicular Q. Then for this point we will give name R. So in first question it is given 1.4 practice set. Same way I am drawing here. Then join this line. O and R we have to join. Now we got this right angle triangle. Now see, this is PQR is unit distance, OQ is unit distance. That means 1. and OR. That OR is root 2. As I saw here calculation, this length is root 2. Now we have to take compass, and then you have to take OR as a distance in the compass. Place the compass here and pencil point on the point R. Then draw one arc towards number line. Then which number you got, that number will be your root 2. Then on this point again we have to draw perpendicular line. See, from this longer lines are there, from that you can draw perpendicular, or better way you use protractor. And 3 centimeter distance we have to take. Join this line. See now, for root 3, what will be the calculation then? This is 1 unit and this distance is root 2. Then 1 square plus root 2 square. Suppose S name you will give there up. Then OS you have to find out. So OS will be 1 square plus root 2 square. 1 square 1. Root 2 square 2. When we will take square of square root, then it will be the number. This square root and square will get cancelled. Again this is 3. This is the OS square. And OS again under square root of 3. So this distance will be your root 3. Again take the compass. In the compass, this much distance you have to take, O and S. Then draw an arc towards number line. That is your root 3. Again same procedure for, see, 0 to 1 we have taken 1 unit distance. Again for 1 to 2 you have to take 3 centimeter only. Here I am giving number 2. Now see, square root of 4. Square root of 4. It is 2. That means square root of 4 will come on number 2. Now same process. Draw the perpendicular and unit distance. Take unit distance. That is, we have taken 3 centimeter. Again take the distance in the compass. First draw the line. Then take that distance. See this? Now draw one arc. So you can see it is coming on number 2. Square root of 4 means 2. Again same process you have to follow for remaining numbers also. On the same number line you can plot root 3, root 5, root 7, continuous process. In the continuous way you have to do. Now this here you got root 4. This is the line of root 4. and this will be root 5. When we will take this distance again, that is root 5. This is the root 4. Same way, perpendicular, join the points. Again takes a distance. Draw an arc. This is your square root of 6. Square root of 6. Again perpendicular. Right angle triangle you have to make, and hypotenuse you have to take as your distance to draw the irrational number. Now see, this is your square root of 7, and so on. You can draw all the numbers, root 7, then root 8, root 9. Root 9 means again it will be 3. It will come on 3. Up to root 7 it is there in your exercise. See, try this, and exactly if you do with pointed pencil and all, you can draw easily. Then see here I have shown you the explanation. First question, activity is given. Here I have given you, see, root 2 and 1, like this should come here. Try again, see, and do it. For root 3 calculation, it is root 2 already given, and for root 3 how to calculation you have to fill up. Already I have given here up to root 7. Again you try, and question number wise on same line also you can draw, or 3 times you can do. It will be practice for you. Thank you.